Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a video on the 4 key things to focus on when trying to build your credit. First thing to focus on is to keep those credit card balances as low as you possibly can. Ideally, you want to keep it at 30% of the limit. And second, you want to make sure that you're never going over that limit. So your limit on your credit card is $1,000. Do not go over it by $10 to $20, even if it allows you to, because this will trigger a decrease in your credit score. Third to focus on is to never miss a payment. So even if you just have to make those minimum payments of $10 to $20, make sure you're not missing those payments. Set a reminder, set automatic payments, whatever you have to do to make sure you're not missing those. And fourth would be to keep your credit cards or trade lines open. So at least having 2 trade lines, whether it's a credit card, line of credit, a mortgage, anything like that will be able to show that you're building the credit and use them. So even if your credit card's a $100 limit, use that for gas and then pay it off right away. This shows that you're utilizing credit and you're able to pay it off. A lot of times people start to panic and they want to close everything and just not have a credit card again. This is the wrong thing to do. We need to show that you're building your credit back up. So these are the 4 steps we recommend to focus on when trying to rebuild your credit. May take 6 months to a year, maybe longer depending on what you went through. But it's good to be patient and diligent with these things and making sure that you're not getting your credit pulled all the time. So if you're getting new credit cards, that's fine. Just don't get a whole bunch or go get it pulled by a lot of people, as this does negatively affect your credit score. If you're wanting to know what your credit score is, you can get your own report without it affecting you on Equifax.com or through TransUnion. So we highly recommend doing that. It may be free or there may be a small fee, but it's worth it to not affect your credit score. As always, thank you for watching, and for more information on mortgages, please visit our website Knowledge Center at Ratefair.ca, or you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you like, and we'd always be happy to help if you reach out directly as well. Thanks!